individual goes to the masjid to pray a particular prayer, and then they remember that they forgot to pray the previous prayer, what do? So the example being, a person goes to the masjid to pray Salatul Asr, and as soon as they're done praying, they remember that they haven't prayed Salatul Dhuhr. What should be done in this situation? In this situation, because the person was not cognizant that they hadn't prayed Salatul Dhuhr, they just pray Salatul Dhuhr after Salatul Asr, and there's no sin upon them. There's no sin upon them. However, if an individual remembers before they pray the other prayer, then in that situation, the person should retain the order of the salah, meaning that they should pray Dhuhr first, and then they should pray Asr. And in this situation as well, there would be no sin because they forgot. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.